Most people think they control their money. They don't. They know their salary, they know their bills, but they have no idea which direction their financial life is actually moving. Today, Kevin is going to show you one number that answers that question. No complex formulas, no complicated math, but once you know it, you'll never look at your finances the same way again. That number is called net worth. And by the end of this video, you'll have calculated yours. Stay until the end. What you do with that number after you calculate it, that's where it gets interesting. Let's start with an uncomfortable truth. A high salary doesn't make you wealthy, it makes you a high earner. Those are two very different things. Kevin knew people earning $100,000 a year with zero savings. Every dollar gone. Mortgage, car, a lifestyle that had to be maintained. Successful on the outside, financially empty on the inside. And he knew others, earning $40,000, no debt. Growing savings, investments quietly compounding. Their net worth grew every single year. Salary shows what comes in. Net worth shows what stays. Forever. That's a fundamentally different thing. Ask yourself right now, are you building wealth or just maintaining a lifestyle? Fine, you might say. I have savings. So I'm okay, right? Not necessarily. Savings are only half the equation. The other half is debt. And if your debt is growing faster than your savings, you're moving backwards, even if your account balance is going up. Picture two people. The first has $20,000 in savings and $50,000 in debt. His net worth? Minus $30,000. The second has $10,000 in savings and zero debt. Her net worth? Plus $10,000. Who is wealthier? The answer is obvious, but most people only look at their account and never see the full picture. Net worth sees everything. So what exactly is net worth? The formula is simple. Everything you own minus everything you owe. Assets minus liabilities. The result is your net worth. Assets are what belongs to you. Money in all your accounts. Investments. Real estate if you own any. Your car. Not what you paid for it, but what you could sell it for today. Anything of value. Liabilities are what you owe. Your mortgage balance. Car loan, credit card debt, student loans. Any payment you still have ahead of you. Subtract the second from the first. That's your number. Your honest financial portrait. No illusions. It might be positive. It might be negative. What matters is that it's true. Unlike your salary or your account balance, which only tell part of the story. Quick pause. If this is already making you think about your finances differently, hit that like button right now. It helps this video reach the people who need it most. And Kevin has a question for you. Drop it in the comments. Do you already know your net worth? Or are you calculating it for the first time today? He reads every comment. If you're new here, subscribe. Every week, one financial idea that changes how you think about money. No filler. The practical part is coming up right now. Kevin is going to walk you through calculating your net worth step by step. Let's go. Take a piece of paper or open the Notes app on your phone. We're doing this right now together. Step 1. Assets. Write down everything you own that has monetary value. Money in all your accounts. Cash on hand. Investments and retirement savings if you have them. The market value of any real estate you own. The resale value of your car. Not what you paid, what you'd get for it today. Anything else of value. No need for dollar precision. Rough numbers give a roughly accurate picture. And that's already 1,000 times better than nothing. Add it all up. That's your assets. First half of the equation. Done. Step 2. Liabilities. This is the part most people prefer not to look at, but it's exactly what makes the picture honest. Write down everything you owe. Your remaining mortgage balance, car loan, student loans if you have them, credit card balances, any other debts. Important, not your monthly payment. The full amount you still owe. Add it all up. That's your liabilities. Now the moment of truth. Subtract your liabilities from your assets. What you get is your net worth, your real financial position. One number. Honest. You have your number. Now what? If it's negative, don't panic. This is not a verdict. It's a starting point. Most people begin with a negative net worth, especially if they have a mortgage or student loans. What matters is not where you are right now. What matters is which direction you're moving. If it's positive, great. But don't relax. The question isn't what the number is today. The question is whether it's growing. Kevin's simple rule: calculate your net worth once a year. Once, look at the trend. If the number is growing, you're moving in the right direction. If it's flat or falling, something needs to change. This is your financial GPS, not your salary, not your account balance. One number, once a year. Let's recap. Salary shows what comes in. Savings show part of the picture. Net worth shows everything. The formula: assets minus liabilities. Calculated in 15 minutes. Checked once a year. It doesn't matter what your number is today. What matters is that now you know it, and you can manage it consciously instead of flying blind. If this video was useful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who still doesn't know their number. That might be the most useful thing you do for them today. And one more thing. Drop your answer in the comments, positive or negative. You don't have to share the exact number, just where you're starting from. Kevin reads every single one. Next week, Kevin is tackling something most people dream about but never start: how to create your first stream of passive income. Not get-rich-quick schemes. Real, proven ways that actually work. See you there. Kevin, out.